Chapter 5 practice test. Solve the inequality and graph your solution. Okay, we need to undo adding 8 and subtract 8. X is greater than negative 18. Open at negative 18. 0 is bigger than negative 18, so we shade towards the 0. We need to undo dividing by negative 4 by multiplying by negative 4. Y is greater than, making sure we switch the sign because we multiplied by a negative. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Open at 12. 18 is bigger than 12, so we're going to shade towards the 18. Subtracting 7, negative 5. D is smaller than negative 10. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. D is greater than, switching the sign because we divided by a negative. Negative 10 divided by negative 5 is positive 2. Subtracting 4a, subtracting 4a. Negative 8 is less than negative 2a. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. 4 is greater than a. Open at 4, 0. 4 is greater than 0, that's true. Shading towards the 0. To be eligible for the playoffs, the baseball team cannot lose more than 40% of its remaining games. The team has 18 games remaining in the regular season. Write and solve an inequality to find the number of games G that the team could lose and still be eligible for the playoffs. Okay. 40% as a decimal is 0.4 times the number of games has to be less than or equal to 18. Uh, 10% of 18 is 1.8. 1.8 times 4. .2. No, they won't. No, they will not. Advance. Solve the inequality if possible. Okay, so distributing 6x minus 2 is greater than 6x plus 6 minus 6x minus 6x. Negative 2 is greater than 6. That is not true, so it is no solution. These hiccups suck. 6p minus 15 is greater than or equal to 8p minus 5 minus 6p minus 6p. Negative 15 is greater than or equal to 2p minus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Negative 10 is greater than or equal to 2p. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Negative 5 is greater than or equal to p. Okay. Distributing. Don't have that firm. 10s plus 35 minus 4 is greater than 10s minus 7. 35 minus 4 is 31, so 10s plus 31 is greater than 10s minus 7 minus 10s minus 10s. 31 is greater than negative 7. That is true. Infinitely many solutions. Translate the verbal statement into an inequality and then solve. 5/8 of a number x is greater than or equal to negative 10. Okay, dividing by 5/8 or multiplying by the reciprocal of 8/5. Negative 10 times 8 is negative 80. Divided by 5. 16, I think. Greater than or equal to. Yep, 16, I win. Negative 16. Okay, the difference of 9 and 3x. So 9 minus 3x is less than or equal to negative 6. Minus 9 minus 9, negative 3x is less than or equal to negative 15. 15 divided by negative 3, divided by negative 3. X is greater than or equal to, switching the sign because I divided by that negative 3, 5. Okay. The photography club at your school decides to publish a calendar to raise money. The initial cost for equipment and software is $600. In addition to the initial cost, each calendar costs $2.50 to produce. The club plans to sell the calendars for $8 each. Rate and solve an inequality to find the number of calendars N that the photography club must sell in order to raise at least $1,200. Okay, so $8 per calendar. That's how much money we're making. Minus the $2.50 per calendar that we're spending. Minus the $600 that we had to spend to begin with. Has to be greater than or equal to $1,200. Okay. 8 minus 2.5 is 5.5. C minus 600 is greater than or equal to 1,200. Add 600, and we get, jumping down here, 5.5. C is greater than or equal to 1,800. Divide by 5.5. Divide by 5.5. C is greater than or equal to, you guys need to help me out. No, that's not right. Seven is what it should have been. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 5 is 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, that's better. So it has to be greater than or equal to 328 because we're not going to have a decimal amount of calendars. Will the club reach their fundraising goal if they sell 110 calendars? No, because 110 is not bigger than or equal to 328.